Good morning, everybody, and this is the SP 500 setups for today. So, pretty big sell-off on Friday, and a couple of things. We're coming up to some structure here on the 8-hour, and this is a daily high of 5112. So, 5100 is obviously the level we need to pay attention to. It is up until it's not. And I'm just going to put two levels in here because these levels to downside are probably the important bit of structure we need to watch out for. So if we drop below 50.80, 50.58, that would break this channel. And I'm just going to put the channel in quickly so we're all on the same page. So it's been sort of in this channel for quite some time now. So what you're looking for, if you're looking for shorts, is really looking for a lower low. So that would break through the channel. So this is the zone you need to pay attention to the downside. This is the level you need to pay attention to the upside. That's 5112. Probably 5100 is the nice round number. Now we do have diversions here. You can see prices made a higher high, oscillators made a lower high. So yeah, that could play out, but if it breaks through this zone, and specifically 50.58, then that would be your double top, which would be a very juicy 1,300 points, or a 2.6% move to the downside. And somewhere in this area here, and it looks like a pin bar comes back into play. Anyway, so break of that structure would bring you all the way down here to 49.29, but I think 5,000 would probably hold you up first because that's a big juicy number. So let's just get down to the levels we're looking for, starting with the 3-hour. And suppose we better put the swing high in. That would be a level for a move to the upside. We need to recapture that 51.31. At the moment we are below it. We didn't close below it on Friday. You can see we came onto it and sort of just bounced off it, but we're just below it at the moment. So pay attention to that, and then in amongst here there is a lot. There's a pin bar here, there's another pin bar there, range bar, another tail. So there's a lot of structure in this zone, and if I'm correct, let's just see where 5106 is that pin bar, and 5100 is that range bar. So I'd have 5100 in place as well, just because it is a big round number, and I'll just put it in because it's probably something that could very well be targeted. So down to the hour, and have a look at this juicy pin bar just below 51. It's 5106. There it is there. Okay, so what we're looking for this morning, just want to fine tune that. Oh yeah, this chart's going to get messy now, but we're going to have to do this. So there's 3 levels here. You can see one, there's another one there, and there's another one here. So I just want to put these 3, lock them in. This zone that we're in at the moment, which is 51.23, right where price is, which is 51.26, and then 51.30. So there's quite a bit of support to the left, and this 51.30 is obviously a fairly juicy pin bar here, so I'd be paying attention to that. Oscillators are grouped to the downside. We are pretty much near the bottom of the bigger channel. And the other thing that I would also do is just get hold of your Fibonacci. Get that in. There you go. And you'll see that this level here at 51.23 is the 61.8 Fibonacci. So it's going to delete that. And then if we come down to 15 minutes, you're going to see a fairly decent structure that you can trade off here. So you can see already this is the situation. So 51.23, 51.30, that's the level you need to be paying attention to today. Wouldn't be jumping in now. I would wait for at least the European market to open before watching what's going on here. And you can see you do have a high. So a safe way of doing it would be to wait for the break of whatever high is formed, pull back to come and test it, and then move up. But from a short perspective, which is very, very possible, there's a zone to the upside here. So you can see we're below the moving averages at the moment. So if you bounce up into 51.39, 51.40, 51.45, and probably 51.50 as well. But if you bounce up into that area and you reject, then there's definitely an opportunity for a short. But it's going to be really difficult because this will hold up. 51.30, 51.24 will hold you up. But that is the logical choice for a trade pretty much down into 51.12 area, 51.06, 51.00. That's kind of the downward trade, but I would be more interested in looking for the opportunity to buy, and that would be right here at 51.23. So this, just where price is where I'd be interested in buying, and there's two ways of doing it. The one way is actually wait for price action on the level here, and the other way, which is probably the cleverer way at the moment, is to wait for the break of the current high, and it's in, let's move this down, so that would be 51.36, 51.40. So you're going to wait for a break of 51.40, price needs to move, come back and build a base on there, come back to test that break, and then you get price action here that indicates moving up. That would be the long to be taken. So that's more the trade that I would be favoring. If that doesn't materialize, then I'd be looking to buy off 5100, sort of 5106, 5100. I'd be looking to buy, and your stop area on that buy is going to be below 5080. Now the reality is any break below 5080, where's our 5080? Here's 5080 there, which is the low of not yet Friday, that's Thursday, but that would break the range, the bigger range to the downside. So this range that we're looking at here, or channel should I rather say, break that to the downside. So that would be an indication of shorts for me, and there are a couple of gaps to go and fetch to the downside. Yeah. So for now, I'm looking for support, and I'm looking for support at around 5100 for another attempt higher. I'd probably get capped on 5137 or 5145 or even 5150. So in other words, down, build a base, buyers come in, move up back into this zone that we're looking at that we're in at the moment. Rejection here for an attempt down. But yeah, that's kind of my view for today. It should be pretty muted. It is a Monday, so we'll have to wait and see what transpires. But yeah, if it's not there, don't take it. That's pretty much, if it's not building structure on the levels, wait at the next level. If it gets through this zone here, then wait for the pullback to see if you can get a short opportunity. That's pretty much the moral of my story this morning. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.